Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working on the soft toy. I've tacked the front and the back together. Next I need to cut them, and then we'll go to the sewing machine to stitch them. What about the tail? I'll make it of the light pink felt. To do that I need to fold it in half, stitch it, and then insert a small pie in it. I'll attach it to the body by hand. Let's go to the sewing machine. I'll stitch the details with just one seam. I need to make a hole in order to be able to turn the toy right side out. When it's done, I'll remove the taking. Then I'll stuff it with a fiber fill, sew up the hole, and attach the tail. I've stitched the details. Now I need to remove the pattern and then the taking. The seam is not seen because it was made with a thread of the same color as the fabric. I need to remove the taking. I need to cut the extra pieces of the seams, make cuts in the angles, and then turn the toy right side out. I've cut all the extra pieces. Watch the way I'm doing it. I use this tool for pulling the toy right side out. You can use a pen. Just be careful. You can also use a pin to turn out the angles. This is how the piglet looks like now. I need to stuff it. After that, I'll sew the hole and attach the tail. Let's get down to work. You can make any toys you like. Make them of different colors, shapes. I do not want to make the piglet fat. The more you stuff it, the bigger is the toy. What I'm doing now is not hard. Anyone can do it, even a child. I need to add just a bit more. The toy seems so small, but it takes so much fiber. I think it's enough. Have a look at the piglet. I've decided to fold one ear. I've also decorated it with the buttons and the pink bow. Have a look at the tail. You won't confuse it with any other animal looking at this tail. I stuffed the toy not so much. It's soft. I'm thinking about sewing a vest for a piglet, similar to the one I made for this toy. Now Caroline has two new toys, Snowball and Piglet. I was happy to show you this technique for making handmade toys. This would be a great gift for a new year. That's all for today. My name is Olga Paukshte. Buy our courses, subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.